Hi, this is Clayton from the Tippecanoe County Public Library. Today I'm going to talk about how you can use Libby by Overdrive, one of our digital content services. There are two ways to reach Libby. You can go to e-resources on our website, or you can install the Libby app, which is on Android and Apple devices. If you have an Amazon Kindle, what you'll need to do is access it through your web browser, and then you can send it to your Kindle from there. When you open up Libby, the first thing you'll want to do is sign in. If you're on the mobile device, it's going to ask you this automatically the first time you open it. You'll tell it that you're at Tippecanoe County Library, and then put in your library card number, and your password is usually the last four of your phone number. This will let you use our online catalog, which is called Indiana Digital Media. We're part of a partnership with several other Indiana libraries to provide this service. To browse our collection, you have several options. The landing page shows you popular titles that are immediately available, along with a number of special collections that are changing every week and every month. So for example, you can see that we've got fairy tales, animal books, at-home books, what's cooking, stuff like that. Libby changes this up very regularly. It's also up here under collections. You can do browse by subject, which is basically the same thing you would do in the library. It's broken up by genre, so you have fiction and then subcategories such as mystery, Christian fiction, classic literature, all this normal stuff. Same thing with nonfiction, so you have history, biography, all that sort of stuff available. There are some magazines and videos available. If you're looking for videos, you're going to have a little more luck using Hoopla, which also has music, but there are still some on here. You can also do a search for a specific author or title. So, for example, if we were looking for James Patterson books, we could start typing in his name, and you'll see it does start suggesting possible search results. This is the same sort of screen you would see if we did do a search by subject. It works the exact same way. So if we hit mystery here, you can see it's the same sort of layout. You do have the available to filter things by specifically to ebooks or audiobooks. It's going to look a little different on the mobile app because it'll change the screen positions, but the option is there. There should be a little icon that says filter. You'll notice that some of these say waitlist and some say available. That's because with the Libby service, we buy a certain number of copies, and that's how many we can lend out at a time. So in some cases, like this first one right here, you might have to place a hold. To do that, all you would do is just hit place hold. It would ask you for your email account, and that's all you need to do. You can say that I want to see just stuff that is available right now, and that will show you stuff that's here for immediate checkout. You do also have the option to see stuff that's not yet available and place holds on that, or suggest that the library buy it. Borrowing a book is very simple. We just hit the borrow button. It's going to ask us to confirm. And once we do that, it is automatically checked out to us for 2 weeks. You have the option to immediately start reading. On a mobile device, it will automatically download as long as you're on Wi-Fi. Or if you're on Kindle, if you want to send it to a Kindle, you'll just hit Read Now of Kindle. It'll open up the Amazon website. You'll need to make sure you log in there, and then it'll give you the option to send it to whatever Kindle that you want. To see what you currently have checked out, you just go to My Account up here in the corner, or you can hit this little bookshelf icon. On a mobile device, it's going to be down at the bottom of the screen where it says Shelf. All you have to do is just hit Read Now, and it will automatically open up the book It's very straightforward to actually read it. You just click on or tap on the sides and it'll send you back and forth, and it will have options to let you choose things like font size, background color, various other reading options to make it easier for you to read. With Libby, you have 14-day checkouts. You can renew them as long as no one else is wanting them, and you can check out up to 10 things at a time. As always, if you run into any trouble, you should feel free to get into contact with us either through the Ask a Librarian feature on our website or by giving us a call at 765 429 0113. Thank you.